new study, titled Habitual Use of GPS Negatively Impacts Spatial Memory During Self-Guided Navigation, published in the Nature Journal, reveals that our reliance on GPS navigation may actually be damaging our brains. Research published in the journal Nature Communications shows habitual use of turn-by-turn directions can impair your natural ability to remember routes and landmarks.
In today's health news, our tech-savvy world makes many of us rely on Global Positioning System, GPS, navigation devices and applications to guide us from point A to point B. But new research is sounding the alarm on what that might be doing to our brains. A recent study finds that frequent use of GPS navigation could actually harm our spatial memory over time. The study, published in Scientific Reports and led by researchers Louisa Damani and Veronique Bobot, looked at how regular GPS use affects our ability to navigate and remember spatial environments. 50 regular drivers participated in the research. They were asked about their lifetime GPS habits and then tested on virtual navigation tasks that evaluated how well they could form mental maps, recognize landmarks, and remember routes. All key functions of spatial memory. The results? People who used GPS more frequently had significantly worse performance on these memory tasks. In fact, the study found a clear negative link between how often someone relied on GPS and how well they could navigate independently using their own mental mapping skills. And there's more. Researchers followed up with a smaller group 3 years later. Those who had increased their GPS use showed an even steeper decline in spatial memory, suggesting that the effects may get worse with time. The study showed that high GPS usage wasn't tied to bad directional skills, meaning the technology itself might be causing the decline. The takeaway? While GPS is a convenient tool, leaning on it too heavily might come at a cost. Experts say that engaging in self-guided navigation, like memorizing routes, using landmarks, or even asking for directions, can help keep our spatial memory sharp and our brains healthier in the long run. So next time you're heading somewhere familiar, consider putting your GPS away and letting your brain do the driving. Richard, back to you.